Alright, so we are going to talk about solutions of systems. So you have solutions, the x value, and then the y value. So how you write a point x comma y. No solution meaning they never touch. They never touch. Infinite solutions mean they are two lines on top of each other. They touch a ton of times. And then one solution meaning that they touch one time. One time. So this first one over here, they touch one time. This is one solution. One solution. Our next ones, if you draw them out, if you keep drawing, they never touch. This is no solution. Then our next one, you can see you have two lines on top of each other. Two lines on top of each other, meaning infinite solutions. So when you do menu 3, 2, when you get one solution, you get a point. When you do no solution, when the answer is no solution, you get the words no solution. When you get infinite solutions, your answer is going to be like C2 over a number, comma, C2, something like this with a letter C. So that should help you. When you see any letter C, it means infinite solutions. So let's give these a try. Our first one says, what is the x value of the solution to the systems of equations? We have two equal signs, and it's two equations. So we're going to do menu 3, 2, and we're looking for the x value, the first number. So our first number, we're looking for our x value, so our first number. So what we're going to do in the calculator is we're going to go to calculator, menu 3, 2, and this screen, don't ever change it, just press OK. We're going to type in y equals negative 2 divided by 3. Oh, let me put a fraction in there. Control, divide, 2 divided by 3, x plus 7. And we're going to go to the bottom one and do 2x plus y equals negative 21. Double check your equations and then press enter. And this is your answer. So your answer is negative 21 comma 21. And remember, we're looking for our x value. So we're looking for this negative 21. So in our thing, we're going to put negative 21. That is your answer. Okay. So next example. It says, the line graphed on the grid represents the first of two equations in a system of linear equations. So again, the line graphed on the grid, this is one systems of equations. This is one. So keep reading. If the graph of the second equation in the system of equations in the system passes through the points negative 12, 20, and 4, 12, which statement is true? So our next one is right here. So second equation passes through these points. So we're going to plot those points. If you need help plotting points, go ahead and put them in Desmos. Negative 12, comma, 20. And you can see it's right over here. So negative 12 right here, 20. So we're going to plot that point. Negative 12 right here, and then 20 right here. They meet right here. So our next one is 4, comma, 12, and it's right over here. It's that blue point, right over there. So we know it's 4, 12, right here. And we're going to connect those 2 points. And what we notice about these two lines is that they will, very good, never touch. So if we read through our answers, it says the only solution to the system of equations is 10, 5. So 10, 5 is about right here. We know that's not true. That's not good. So the next one is the only solution to the system of equations is 0, 14. We know there's no solutions because they never touch, so that's not good. The system of equation has no solutions. No means never touch. So maybe it's C. Let's read D. The system has infinite number of solutions. That would mean they're the same line and we have two separate lines. So our answer would be C. So let's move on to the next one. Renato needs to solve the system of equations below. We have a system. Which point represents the solution to the system of equations on the graph? So when I have systems of equations, I'm going to do menu 3, 2. That's just the easiest thing to do. Menu 3, 2. So we're going to go new document, press no, add calculator, menu 3, 2. Never change the screen. Enter. So you have y equals 2x minus 5. And then you have 3y equals negative x plus 2. Check your work. Enter. And you have 17 over 7, comma, negative 1 over 7. Remember, you can change this to a decimal by putting Control, Enter. And this is what you get. You get 2.4, comma, negative 0.14. And what we can do is we can put this into Desmos, because really the decimal is kind of hard to look at. So we're going to go to Desmos, put a point in, parentheses, 17 divided by 7, comma, negative 1 divided by 7. And we see that point is over here. So let's zoom in and see what we see. We know it's right behind the 2 and it's right below the line. So the only point that matches this little point right here is gonna be C. It's gonna be C, this point right here. So that would be my answer. It's the only one that's in the same kind of area. Okay? So let's see if there's another example. Oh, that's it. All right, well, have a great day. Bye-bye. If you need help, ask us.